Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making the car safe and collecting facts. Disconnect the negative battery for 10-15 minutes to clear volatile memory. This protects modules while you probe. Next, plug in an OBD2 scanner and read the DTCs, then write down codes and freeze-frame details so you don't guess later. With those codes in hand, inspect the ECU power and ground circuits and the connector pins for corrosion, looseness, or burns because electrical faults are the most common cause. Once you've fixed any obvious wiring or connector issues, focus on software. Back up the ECU's current calibration and VIN data before you do anything else. If codes indicate corrupted firmware, reflash using official manufacturer files and a stable power source. Make sure the battery is charged or use a bench supply to avoid interruptions. You should also clear codes, then rerun diagnostics to confirm persistent errors, because reprogramming can resolve logic faults when hardware is intact. You finish by reconnecting the battery, starting the engine, and monitoring live parameters while doing a 10-15 minute test drive. Watch for proper sensor readings and no recurring codes. If faults remain, bench test or temporarily swap in a known good ECU to isolate hardware versus vehicle security issues. Make sure the immobilizer and VIN programming match, because a VIN or security mismatch often looks like an ECU failure. If that happens, reprogram the immobilizer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.